it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you a Feelunique Pick N unboxing. So yes, today's video is the Feelunique Pick N unboxing. Sometimes they come in these little packets, sometimes they come in a box, or sometimes more of a cardboardy envelope. Today I've got it in this little pouch guy, and it actually feels kind of heavier than it usually does, so I've perhaps picked up some good samples. So if you don't know, the Feelunique Pick N service lets you pick 5 samples a month for £3.95, which is only the postage. And you will get an email back from Feelunique with the £3.95 as a code to use on another order on their website. So basically it ends up with what you get is free. And on there, there's lots of makeup, skincare, hair care, perfumes, etc, etc. There's plenty to choose from. It's always worth having a look. Now you are only allowed to choose once per month, so if you order on say the 15th of the month, you can't order until the 15th of the next month. But you know, sometimes there are better samples, sometimes there are others, sometimes there are worse. None of it's bad because it basically ends up being for free. Anyway, let me tell you what I got. I think I've got some good things this month, so let's open them up together and see. Okie dokie then, the first things that we get then, you get a little leaflet, or you get 2 apparently, that just tells you a little bit about the pick and mix and how you can get the money off your next haul. That's just a little invoice sheet, and then in here you get some offers from their kind of, does it actually say, partners? So we can get, what can we get this time? We can get, here we go, free wipes and a free wash from Body Form, bloody hell, and a coupon off some other things. And this one is from Treatwell, which is about hair and beauty appointments with the look of it. So that's useful. Anyway, let's look at the products that I got this month. Okay then, so the very first thing I got was they had quite a few new items from a brand that I hadn't heard of before, and we know I'm going to pronounce this wrong. It's Fallujah? I don't know, it's French, it's from Paris. And this one is a Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream. And in here we get 7 mils of products. It's in a nice little travel tube. Like I said, it's a brand I hadn't used before. I don't think I'd really even heard of before. And I just kind of thought, well, I'll give it a try. And it's a pretty decent size sample. Like I said, it's an ultra lifting cream, so it's like a moisturizing cream. And I love all the little travel sizes. They fit perfectly when you want to be heading away somewhere and you don't want to pack the big bottles. But also for trying out new brands, you don't want to splash out for the big full-size items until you've tried them. So I think that's super useful. The next item I got was also skincare then. I got this from Clarins, also Paris. And this is their exfoliant gel. Oh, sorry, I'm reading the French. This is a purifying gel scrub with lava beans. So if I open that inside, we get a similar kind of tube to the first item, and it's basically a face scrub from Clarins. They had a few different ones of these on there, so I think I chose the one that I thought sounded the nicest for me. And in here we get 5 mils of product, so again a good little travel sized item. So perfect. Okay, next then I picked up an item of makeup, and I got something from NARS, and I got this blush. It is their Orgasm blush, which I haven't tried, but I've heard many good things about. And in here, it's just a little kind of card sample. I wasn't sure how this was going to come. It's a really little kind of sample, but I think you'll get a good couple of uses out of that. So it's good enough to try out, which is the whole idea of the sample service, isn't it? So it says, there's no faking the award-winning afterglow. An iconic rush so deeply flattering it's enough to make you blush. Experience it to believe it. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I've heard many good things about this particular blush, so hopefully it'll be fantastic. Some words from people on the back saying, when it comes to blush, how and where you apply is just as important as which colour you use. So that's that. Excited to try it. Okay, the last 2 items are 2 fragrance perfume related items. The first one that I got is this Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs, and it's just a little sample. I've never tried any of the Daisy perfumes, but I always think that the bottles look super cute, so I was really excited to try this one. So it says, love fills the air with radiant florals and a sparkling gourmand twist. Crystallized cloud berries mingle with sunny petals of daisy, driftwood and cashmere musks. So I suppose I could give that a little try. I think that's quite a nice scent. Yeah, no, pleased with that. I'll give that a couple of wears and see what I think. And it's amazing that I get to try this out without having to splash out on like the big bottle or something for it to turn out to be something when I'm wearing it I'm a bit like, not sure about. But first impressions, it just smells nice. Lastly then, and probably the biggest sample I've actually ever got from Feelunique, is this Amazing Grace Magnolia Philosophy Spray Fragrance from Philosophy. And in here it is 15 mils worth of product, which seems quite a lot. It's fairly heavy. It comes all sealed up and in a cardboard box. So let's open that up. Okay, so in here we get this super cute little mini fragrance bottle. Like I say, we get quite a lot in there. You're gonna get quite a lot of uses and that'll look super cute on a dressing table. Hopefully it smells nice. What does the packaging say? Not an awful lot about what it is, to be honest, but it's Grace Magnolia, so I'm guessing it's like a floral scent. Let's give this one a spray too then. It's actually quite nice. It's like a very sweet florally smell, but it's quite subtle at the same time, so I really like that. And look how much I get and how cute the little bottle is. I'm really over the moon with that. So guys, that was actually everything that I picked up on this month's Feelunique Pick N Mix. I think I got a couple of good things. I got some face care items, skincare. I got a makeup item and a couple of fragrances. And I think they're all really decent sizes. I think you're gonna get a couple of uses out of the blush. These you can travel with so easily. And again, I think a couple of uses out of each of those. This will last a good few days. And this will last a good old while. What a great size product that one is. So I'm really, really happy with those. If you're interested in the Feelunique Pick N Mix service, I will link it down below. Go ahead and check it out. It's always worth having a look. Sometimes it's better than others when you check. There's better and bigger products. And you know, other times it's a bit like, but there's no subscription or anything to it. So you can just opt in and opt out as you please. So that's absolutely fantastic. Really, really happy with these. So definitely check it out, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It'll be fantastic to have you here. And I'm doing a giveaway very, very soon for my subscribers, so make sure you stick around. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.